Stop using basic English. Try these 5 powerful words. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to your Edu Knowledge Motivation platform. Today we are going to learn more 5 powerful words to make your English more smarter. The first word is bummer, which means something disappointing or unpleasant. Missing the trip was such a bummer. The second word is petrified, which means extremely scared or frozen with fear. She was petrified during the thunderstorm. Wait, pause the video and try to make your own sentences using these words. The third word is confer, which means to discuss or consult with others, to exchange opinions, and also to give or bestow a degree, honor, or right to someone. For example, the university will confer the honorary degree at graduation. The team met to confer about the final project plan. The fourth word is pivotal, which means crucial, vital, critical. For example, the team's decisions at that point were pivotal, determining the directions of the entire project. The last word is baffle, which means to confuse or perplex completely. The intricate magic trick completely baffled the audience. I hope you learned something new today. Comment your favorite word from this video and use these words daily and follow for more powerful vocabulary. Thanks for watching.